Hi. So tonight, actually tomorrow, it's going to be cold. It's going to be snowing here in Texas, which happens maybe once every 20 years. We're expecting about 1 to 3 inches of accumulation. My wife can't eat this, but I'm hankering for chili. Tonight, I'm going to make Texas style chili. When I was growing up, my mom used this. Well, not this. This is false alarm, Wick Fowler's false alarm chili kit. My mother used 2-alarm chili kit, and there's also a 3-alarm chili kit. But this is Texas chili, what I grew up with, except my mom put macaroni in it. I want to show you what it deconstructed a little bit, and we're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to cook it. So the ingredients, we're going to start with coarse ground chuck meat. We got some chicken broth that we're going to use. We got some diced tomatoes, tomato sauce. Yes, I am in the bean party. So we got some ranch style beans. We got some honey. We're not using this. We have the Holy Trinity, that is onions, carrots, and celery. We're going to use about half of that. I got that from the grocery store. We got some garlic, salt, chili powder, oregano, cumin, and paprika. And we're going to combine all this, and then we're going to cook it in the oven and let it simmer for a few hours. And this is basically Texas gravy. So we're going to get started. Okay, so I'm using an enamel cast iron Dutch oven. Turned it on, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to put about a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm going to tablespoon of butter in there. Now remember, this is Texas style, this is not Oklahoma style, so sorry you Oklahomans. I'm not going to put your funky cream style corn in there. Alright, so we're going to add a good portion of these savory vegetables in there. That's about half. And we're going to simmer those up for a couple minutes until they get a little bit translucent, and then we're going to add some garlic. Alright, so we need some more light in here, don't I? We got some translucent onions and carrots and celery and butter and olive oil, and then we're going to add a little bit of garlic. It only takes like 30 seconds for this garlic, you don't need very much. And we're just going to pull off that flavor off the garlic. And as soon as you smell it, then we're done with the garlic, and then it's time to add the coarse ground chuck roast. Ooh. A lot of meat. So now the ground chuck is cooked and we drained it. And now we're going to add and assemble the other ingredients. That's a nice looking chili right there. All right. Let's put beans. I don't know about you, but I like ranch style beans, so beans to your taste. If you want them or not, it's up to you. I like beans myself. Tomato sauce. 1 can. And diced tomatoes. 1 can. Alright, so when I was a kid, my mom put sugar in the honey because all that tomato sauce and stuff is very acidic. You need something to cut through the acid, to counteract the acid. And you can use sugar. We're using local grown honey. You don't need maybe but a teaspoon. And we'll just... Okay. So we're going to add the other ingredients now. First thing, paprika. Got cumin. Got your oregano dried. Chili powder. Dog just opened up the gate. And the last thing is salt. All right. Mix that in.
Pretty hearty looking chili.
Yeah. And we just need to put a little bit of chicken stock in there, and then it goes in the oven. Sorry you can't eat it.
Yeah.
All right, so. All right. Chicken stock. Now the recipe calls for water or stock. I prefer stock. And we're going to put about, it feels about half. So that's, let's see. Yeah, how much did you use, Jeff? I used about 20 ounces or so. I think the recipe says 16 ounces. I used a little bit more than that. All right, so that there is going to simmer in the oven for about an hour. So I'll see y'all in about an hour. Moment of truth. And there is our chili. That's some good chili right there. Oh, I should say that's good Texas chili. Thank you very much. Want some, Tracy?
No.
You sure?
Nope.
It looks really good.
Smells good.
It smells good. All right, so it's away. Now, let's see. Take a bite of this. Now, I'm not Cowboy Kent Rollins, but this might make me dance. This is good. It's good. It's really good. We have some chips.
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's also hot, but that is really good homemade chili. That's the kind of stuff that you will eat. I'm gonna eat that. So, man.
It went black.
That's fine. It's still recording. Tap it. My wife's learning the camera, but so I guess prep time altogether was maybe 2 hours. So about a half hour to get it ready for the oven, an hour and a half in the oven. We have chili. Put it on top of eggs in the morning for your Texas style huevos rancheros. That's really good. Until next time, see ya.